Hello, everyone. The beautiful Vancouver, my friends, all around here in this lower mainland. In fact, this is a special message for you all because we have something amazing coming up this Friday on July 20th. We have the first book signing for this amazing book called Ancient Sage for Silicon Age. I know a lot of you have heard about this book and you've probably seen this book being given out to lots of people all around the world. We have been traveling doing these workshops, myself and Master Sunita, at different parts of the world. In fact, this book has been already given out to some ambassadors, some chief ministers, some dignitaries all around the world, people in all phases and dimensions of life, doctors, scientists, actors, filmmakers, because of course, it doesn't matter who you are, we all need wellness, fullness, and oneness. So, the first book signing event of this amazingly simple book. Look at this. Very small book. You can read this in an hour, hour and a half. But it's packed with pure energy, wisdom from ancient times, and of course from the ancient sage who is living with us in these modern times, Master Sunita's message and her understanding of human life and how we can heal from simple to complex illnesses, how we can maintain that beautiful health, and how we can have that 100% happiness and bliss no matter what, that fullness always with us. And then of course that harmony in relationship with ourselves and relationship with everyone around, which results in oneness. So I would like to see you all on this Friday in the Chapters bookstore in Metrotown Mall in Burnaby. It's from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's not going to be serious stuff. It's going to be good interaction. You can come talk to me. I would love to share my journey, my inner journey, and how we have been transforming lives of many people all around the world. You know that we have been at World Health Organization recently. They've received this in a phenomenal way. Amazing transformative experiences there. So please come down. You will get your personal copy of this book, and we have actually priced it down. Its regular price is I think around $14, but now it's for $10, 10 Canadian dollars. So please come down, and all the proceeds from the sales of this book are going to our non-profit Peace Tree Innovation Society. You know, Peace Tree has been on the ground doing lots of work for the grassroots transformation of humanity for wellness, fullness, and oneness. Center for Wellness and Oneness, of course, is Peace Tree. So every penny goes to the work that we are doing to help all attain that perfect health, happiness, and harmony. So I look forward to see you all this Friday, July 20th in Metrotown Mall in Burnaby in the Chapters bookstore. Let's have fun together and connect with each other so that we all lead a happy and healthy life. Thank you very much for your time.